Welcome this video. Outdoor kitchen idea for a smart backyard. Traditional, a smart gardening into a functional and style outdoor kitchen is not possibility but can also add charm and value to your home with thoughtful plants, smart use for space and the right design elements. Even the term yard can accommodate an effective outdoor cook and dining area. Let's explore how you can design perfect outdoor kitchen for a smart yard. Build an outdoor kitchen in a smart backyard. Even if your backyard is compact and outdoor kitchen affect and advise. Maximize living space as explore your usable security once again by create and attach cook and dining area. Enhance, entertain, perfect for host without being confined indoor. Boost home value outdoor kitchen or after functional buying. Enjoy fresh air living. Cook outdoor, keep hot and smart out of the house. With those benefits and maximize later into design keep. Smart layout for backyard. Then space. This limited choice, the right layout is key. A few complex sticking light kitchen, a smart line design again, a wall fence, save space while perfect room for the gallery, complex and story. L-shaped companion kitchen, altering and compact effect, fresh up the rustic of the yard, setting and gardening.